in 20th century, because of the power of destruction rate, immensely increased because of technology, because of science. So those people who invented these science and technology, I think never intend to bring more suffering, more fear on humanity. But it happened like that. So that clearly shows if we just lived just science and technology alone, not very sure whether really bring happiness or fear like that. So this one factor. I think due to this factor, then later part of 20th century, among the top scientists, she began to feel importance of the human mind and sort of certain human sort of emotion. I think both way. One way, sheer sort of the knowledge. Now they, like you here, this great scientist, now carrying sort of also the research about the brain, about these things, then naturally, brain particles very much linked with emotion. Some change here, certain emotion come. Some emotion, some effect on our brain. So their academic level also now, because of their research about subtle level, about the brain or the neuron, these things, they really reach very high level. So they begin to pay more attention about emotion, about mind.